Hello, mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat and advance Merry Christmas. Ako nga pala si Kuya Dominic and yung iba tinatawag akong Doms. And sumali ako ng Christ Alone Worship about pandemic time. Nagkakita-kita kami, nagkasama-sama kami ni Jed, si Yoj, galing ako sa Jesus Grace and Glory. And yung main core and main value talaga ng Christ Alone Worship is to glorify God through songs, through worship, through praises. And alam ko at napaproud ako at naririnig ko kay Jed na at nakikita ko rin sa Facebook na dumadami kayo at lumalago. And as a part of Christ Alone Worship, I am proud of it. And of course, si Lord mas proud na proud sa inyong lahat. And I'm gonna dedicate one song for you guys, and this song is called Another One by Elevation Worship. So I'm just gonna sing the chorus. So here it goes. If you know the song, sing with me. Miracle after miracle, open door after open door. Here it comes, so get ready for another one, 'cause another one is on the way. Miracle after miracle, open door after open door. Here it comes, so get ready for another one, 'cause another one is on the way. Yun nga sabi sa kanta, 'cause another one is on the way. And yung blessings ni Lord, hindi yun mapipigilan. And if there's doors na nag-shut down, and yun nga, yung during pandemic, shutdown lahat, pero hindi napipigilan yung mga anak ng Diyos na magpuri sa Kanya. And alam ko, lalo na ngayon na hindi pandemic, mas gagamitin kayo ni Lord. And you will not just be limited to the borders of your church, kung saan man kayong church. You will be spreading the gospel of Jesus all around your school, all around your work, and kung saan man kayo magpunta. And you will be the light and the salt and the light of the world. And I'll give you my vision for the Christ Alone Worship. 5 years from now, I know na mas lalago pa ito. Mas madami pang mga churches ang maaaya. Hindi lang churches, pati mga taong hindi pa nakakakilala sa Diyos. Maraming lalapit dahil makikilala at maririnig nila yung mga kanta na nagbibigay papuri sa Panginoon. And kayo ang mga gagamiting vessels. At kayo yung mga magiging ambassadors ni Lord. And for you na nanghihina, alam ko bibigyan kayo ng lakas ni Lord. And I'll give you one verse that I will leave to you. It's gonna be in Romans 1 verse 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel, because it is the power of God that brings salvation to everyone who believes. So, huwag kayong mahiya. Kahit bata ka pa, don't be ashamed of the gospel. And let yourself be available at lagi kang at may gagawin na kakaiba sa'yo, na supernatural ang Panginoon. And ayun, God bless everyone, and I miss you all. I hope na makasama ko kayo sa mga susunod na mga gathering na ganyan. And advance Merry Christmas!